Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you this soft glam that I'm wearing right now. And I'm using the Naked Urban Decay Original palette that I know you guys are going to love. So if you can't afford to get yourself one, go ahead and do so. You won't regret. But this is the look, guys. If you like it, keep on watching and I'm going to show you how to recreate it now. Right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with step one, and step one is always the face primer. You know how important it is to keep your foundation in place, because nobody wants to ever touch up anything. I mean, that's the main reason I stopped using powders, because I don't like touching up my makeup throughout the day. So that's why I'm gonna use this Set the Canvas Flawless Finish Makeup Primer by OPTIPHI. Morning guys.
Morning.
Got my team here.
Morning.
It's two guys learning how to do makeup once again. Today we're doing soft glam because you guys voted it on my Instagram. Instagram is Maya_Mia_Y. Why is there such a long handle? I need a shorter handle. Maya Mia. Bet someone already has that. So anyway, that's my Instagram handle, guys. You can follow me and hashtag Maya Mia Makeup if you want me to see your recreations on the looks that I'm showing you on this channel. And let's get to know each other. How was your Valentine's, by the way? Pop me a comment, let me know if you had a good day or a bad day. Step two is foundation. I think I'm a foundation addict. I can go without any makeup product, but foundation I don't think I can live without, honestly. It just makes everything smooth, airbrushed. Who doesn't love foundation? Please. So I'm using DIOR Forever Undercover 24-hour full coverage foundation, and I'm using a wet beauty blender to apply it. So I just find that gives me perfect coverage. And I'm gonna use like a shade darker than my face, 2 shades darker, just because I've been tanning, like I said in my other video. And my neck, my chest and my face are 3 different shades. So I gotta make that all together as one. Make sure you blend. How do you blend with a beauty blender? You just bounce it. Bounce, 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 bounce. And we're all in. Look blended. Pretty much even. So when you're done bouncing the beauty blender on your face and blending your foundation, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is concealer. If you wanna conceal something, I actually I generally use concealer at the end when I wanna clean up the makeup and if there was any fallout or anything like that. So I don't use concealer just yet. So guys, I'm gonna prime my lids, and this is what I'm gonna use. Put a lid on it by the balm. Right, and you can see my eyelid's a little bit veiny, so I need to conceal that, and for that I'm gonna use Shape Tape by Tarte Cosmetics, and my shade is light. I'm gonna pop a little bit in the center of my lid, and I'm just gonna use my fingers to just blend it all over the lid. Really guys, when you want to do eyeshadow work on your lids, you gotta know that having a great base, like anything else actually, even your face, makes the whole difference. Colors will pop, everything will apply nice and smooth, you can blend better, you know? You can see the difference between the two. Concealer, no concealer. Veins, no veins. Guys, today I'm going to use the Naked palette by Urban Decay, and there's some beautiful shades in here. It's amazing actually. First I'm going to use the Naked shade for the higher part of my crease, and then the buck for the lower part, and just around the end of the crease in the corner. So this two first, and then I'm gonna go in with one of the darker bronzier shades. Let's get started. I'm gonna pick a soft blending brush like this one here, and I'm gonna put this color into the crease, right into the crease. Okay, so we're gonna blend that really well into the crease and upper crease area. I love the sound of birds singing in the background. Jeez, just feel like home.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Okay, so you're gonna smoke it out a bit, guys, because I just want that nice base peeking through. Smoky, smoky, yeah. Okay, then we're gonna go with the darker shade, just that chocolatey brown, and gonna define the crease. Just make it deeper, because it's that deep. And you can see the smoke's coming through. Look at that. Look at that. Smoky, smoky. There's aeroplanes in the sky.
We like.
I wish you could play music in the background.
That would be cool.
Just, you know, it's too much to explain. Why did you use this song? I'm gonna strike you. I don't know, guys. It wasn't me.
Yeah.
I don't know. It was in the background. Your Honor.
Apologize.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so just blend around the edges of that. I'm gonna go do the other side real quick and be back on this eye again. Now I'm gonna go in with Dark Horse in the outer corner of my eye and a little bit of crease as well. Creep, sorry. Crease. And then I'm gonna highlight my lid with Sin. So we're doing the Dark Horse first. So you can see I'm working that on the outer corner. It's shimmery. I'm not going all the way up to the crease. I'm just keeping it low key. Just this area here. Then I'm gonna go in with Toasted from the palette. It's like a maroony shade. I'm just gonna put that right next to the Dark Horse. Right here. Then I'm gonna get some Sidecar and just put it like in the center of my lid. Like right here. And a little bit of Sin in the inner corner. Right, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone next with Virgin. Okay, it's nice and highlighted, just on the brow bone. And then I'm gonna work the lower lash line next. I'm just gonna bronze this up because I wanna bring out the green color in my eyes. And the brown shade is perfect for that. For the waterline, let's go brown. Hey?
Sounds good.
What you say? And I'm using Marc Jacobs. This is a matte eyeliner pencil. Beautiful. Brown shade. Just want to define that lightly, not too much. That's it. Ooh, look at that, guys. Brush your eyelashes if you've got eyelash extensions. Shout out to my girl Tash for hooking me up with the most beautiful lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna put some concealer under my eyes, guys. Just like so little, tiny bit, like right there. Just brighten up the under eye area. So I'm gonna put some highlighter on the tear duct areas there. Just to highlight, you can see big difference. Now I normally put my lipstick on first and then I bronze my face, so that's what I'm gonna do again, because it's a habit. The lipstick, I'm gonna go with something brownish nude. Let's see how that plays out. I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty lip contour in Trendsetter. Okay, taking shape.
Looking good. Okay, now it's too much, so tone it down a bit.
And for that, I'm gonna go in with some lipstick. This one is Prom Night by also Huda Beauty. I just like her lip stuff a lot. You can see I'm using them in every video. Just go in the center, you can see, highlight, and then I'm gonna use my fingers just to like ombre it out, blend it out. Okay, so I feel like we need a bit of gloss, and this one is by JLo for Inglot. Collaborated, and they came up with this very nice lipstick, lip gloss. It's like golden glitter vibes. I think we should go with a contour. Bam! Bronzer. Dark powder by Tarte. You can use that other more. So just around the forehead. Always. So I'm just gonna go in that hollow point here. This area. Just contouring. Contour. Creating shadows. So beauty tip of the day is if you get a nasty pimple like mine was bad, eh? I think it's probably the biggest pimple I've ever had in my life, and I'm gonna turn that into a mole. Just using an eyebrow pencil because no one needs that energy in their life. Whisper of Guilt by MAC, and I'm gonna use this NARS brush, it's a contour brush, to actually apply it on my cheekbones. See? Can you see that? Is it glowing?
Yeah. Popping.
Popping. Nice. Very nice. A little bit on the tip of my nose. And a bit on the bridge. Alright guys, so apparently I forgot the blush, which is the most important part of this look. For this I'm gonna use an actual blush stain, and just because I want that watermelon peachy pink glow, and this is a Watermelon Veil Multi Balm by PIXI Cosmetics. And you're just gonna look, find your cheekbones, okay, like that. See?
Perfect.
Rosy glow. How's that? And we're done, guys. So this is the final look. Hope you like it. It's a soft glam, so you can wear it during the day, you can wear it at night. You can put some eyeliner if you want it more dramatical. If you like it soft as is, then go ahead and do the steps that I did. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channels. There's always a link somewhere for you guys to click on it and subscribe. And thank you to everyone for the love and support in my previous video. I didn't know how many out there were actually waiting for my tutorials. That gave me a boost to go and create more for you, and here I am again. So whoever made a comment said, oh, welcome back, I'll see you next year. That was actually epic. It made me really laugh a lot. Nice one, nice one. But for you, here I am. I'm not going anywhere. So nice to see you again. I'm gonna see you guys again next week. My team is here, Jacques and Jacques. Shout out to you guys. You worked so hard on my previous video, and I'm glad to see the comments and the love and support from everyone on that video, showing how our work was much appreciated. So here we are again. Guys, if you don't have the exact same products, remember, use whatever you have at home. If you can't afford these, you can just buy Kitty's makeup and use that. It doesn't matter, you know, I'm just teaching you how to do it. And if you have any ideas, any questions, any comments, again, in the comment section down below, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. Love you guys lots. Thank you again for everything. God bless you, and see you soon next week with another tutorial. Bye.